1 month ago, I started my software engineering apprenticeship at Visa. Here's what my typical day normally looks like. Every morning starts the same way, with a coffee. I usually make myself an Americano with just a little bit of cream. I am not that good at pouring coffee with this new machine that my wife got, so if this looks bad, I'm sorry. I currently work from home, so this process is usually around like 7:45ish in the morning. But having a cup of coffee is really great to wake me up and be ready for the day. The first half of the day is instructor-led. We meet with our instructor who introduces the concepts that we'll be learning for the day and explains how everything works before we jump into coding. During the lecture, I like to take notes in many different ways. I mainly use Notion just to keep my documents organized, sticky notes for quick reminders, and I also keep a personalized journal where I write down concepts that I want to review later. Everyone learns differently, and this system has been working really well for me. After the lesson, we code along with the instructor. This is usually when the cohort starts asking questions, working through problems together, and making sure everyone understands the material before moving on. This is one of my favorite parts of the day, just because many people have questions, and hearing their question often helps me understand the concepts even better. Also, this is my cat, Appa. Once the morning wraps up, it's time for lunch. Since I'm working from home, I like to use my lunch break to shower and reset before the second half of the day. It helps me come back feeling refreshed and ready to focus. Today, my wife actually stayed home and she made some bacon and eggs. In the afternoon, we split into our groups and start working through lessons and coding exercises together. This gives me the chance to collaborate with other developers, hear different approaches to solving the same problem, and improving my communication skills. After we finish our group exercises, we usually spend time working through HackerRank problems to reinforce everything that we've learned. It's a great way to practice Java and build confidence with problem solving. This is what my typical day usually goes like. There's still a lot to learn, but I'm enjoying this journey and I'm excited to keep growing as a developer. If you're interested in software engineering, apprenticeships, or just want to follow along with my journey, make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.